What if I told you there's a way to 10x your results without working 10 times harder? That's the power of leverage, the ultimate force multiplier for your time, money, energy, and ideas. Today, we're breaking down the 4 layers of leverage that every successful entrepreneur, coach, teacher, consultant, expert uses to scale beyond the hourly work trap. I'm Christopher from teachingrevolution.com, where we help you sell the knowledge you already have to people who need it, and a special shout out to everybody in the 10K club. Most people start their careers or even their businesses by selling their time. Coaches charge by the session, teachers charge by the lesson, and consultants bill by the hour. Employees trade shifts for paychecks. But here's the hard truth. Time is the only non-renewable resource. If your income depends on your presence, then you're capped by the number of hours in a day. Even if you charge $500 an hour, you'll hit a ceiling. So how do you break free? The answer? Leverage. Leverage is about getting exponentially more output from the same or less input. And the first layer of leverage that successful entrepreneurs discover is leveraging other people's time. Instead of doing everything yourself, you hire or partner with others. Like a fitness coach might hire trainers and pay $30 an hour, but charge $100 an hour. A marketing agency might sell white label services from freelancers. Now you are no longer the bottleneck, but there's a new problem. Now you're stuck selling. If you're spending all day closing deals, then you're still trading time for money, just at a higher level. So the next layer of leverage that successful entrepreneurs discover is leveraging content and distribution. Content is leverage on steroids. Instead of selling one-to-one, you create once and sell infinitely. These are things like a LinkedIn post that brings in 5 clients, a YouTube video that sells your course for years, an email sequence that converts while you sleep. And here's the best part. You don't even need to create it all yourself. You can hire writers and editors. You can get people to scale your message. And now you're reaching thousands of people with no extra time spent. But wait, what if you could automate even more? This is where ultra successful entrepreneurs discover the 3rd layer of leverage, and that's leveraging code and automation. Software is the ultimate employee. It never sleeps, it never quits, and it always works at lightning speed. These are things like a course platform that automates delivery, or CRM tools that automate follow-up, or AI tools that can just write emails for you. With automation, you can run a 7-figure business by yourself or with a very tiny team. But the most successful entrepreneurs don't stop there. They discover the 4th layer of leverage, which is leveraging capital. Money makes money. Once your business generates profit, you need to deploy it. This might be investing in stocks or real estate. You can acquire other businesses, or you can use my favorite way, OPM, other people's money. You can take loans, or you can have partnerships. The biggest businesses in the world leverage capital. They bring in investors. But you don't need millions to start doing this. Just think about the next $100 that you make from your business and how you're going to deploy it so that that money makes you back more money. Now, here's your challenge. Pick 1 layer of leverage that you're going to focus on this week. Maybe you're going to hire your first freelancer. Maybe you're going to repurpose a piece of content. Maybe you're going to set up an automated task that will be completed without your participation. Maybe you're going to invest in a growth opportunity. No matter where you are in your business right now and what you're going to focus on in the next week, remember that no business is perfect. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Now, write in the comments and let me know what type of leverage you're focused on right now. And if this video helped you, make sure you smash that like button. It's the best way to spread leverage to others. See you in the next one.